Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 3D puzzles is probably one of the most engaging and educational toys you can find for your kids. They offer a fantastic way for children to engage their minds while having fun, providing hours of entertainment and enhancing cognitive skills, fine motor skills, and spatial reasoning, making them a perfect blend of fun and learning. Number 5. CubicFun Paris Cityline 3D Puzzle. Recreate the magic of Paris with this incredible 3D puzzle. It features 4 iconic landmarks, all beautifully detailed. Build the Eiffel Tower, Notre Dame, the Louvre, and the Arc de Triomphe. It's a stunning representation of Parisian architecture. Add LED lights to illuminate your Parisian skyline at night. Watch it glow and enjoy the magical ambience. This detailed model is a wonderful gift for any occasion or a fantastic addition to your own collection. It's perfect for architecture enthusiasts. It's a peaceful and immersive activity, taking about 3 hours to complete. It's great for stress relief and creative expression. This compact model makes a big visual statement. Display it proudly on your desk or shelf, adding a touch of Parisian elegance to your space. Bring the charm and beauty of Paris into your home with this unique and captivating 3D puzzle. It's a beautiful decoration and a memorable gift. What we like? It features iconic Parisian landmarks and illuminates them with LED lights, creating a magical night view. If you are looking for a unique and beautiful collectible that captures the romance of Paris, you should consider this. It's perfect for architecture enthusiasts and makes a great gift for any occasion. What people say. This kit is a fun and challenging model to put together. It took my 10-year-old a little over an hour to assemble. It comes with a neat little tool to aid in punching out pieces, which was a handy, helpful thing to have. It produces a lovely model of New York City and it's easy to build. As to the puzzle itself, it was fun, moderately challenging, and able to be finished within a few hours. My 8-year-old helped by popping out a lot of the slots. It's not nearly as fragile as I had initially thought, so having her help was just fine. The directions are pictures, IKEA style, but very doable. Number 4. CubicFun Rome Colosseum 3D Puzzle. Recreate the majestic Colosseum, one of Rome's most iconic landmarks. This detailed model captures the architectural brilliance of ancient Rome, bringing a piece of history into your home. As you assemble it, explore the rich history and culture of Rome. The included booklet features captivating photography and evocative text to enhance your building experience. With 131 numbered pieces made from paper and EPS foam board, it's easy to assemble. The detailed instructions guide you step by step, making it perfect for all skill levels. Spend 120 to 220 minutes bringing this historic structure to life. Measuring 13.5 by 10.1 by 3.5 inches when assembled, it makes an ideal gift and a stunning addition to any room. This Colosseum model is more than just a puzzle, it's a tribute to Roman grandeur. Whether a gift or a personal project, it offers a meaningful connection to history. What we like? This one is easy to assemble and includes a booklet filled with captivating facts about the Colosseum. If you are looking for an educational and engaging project that combines fun with history, you should consider this. It's a perfect gift for history buffs and those who appreciate Roman architecture. What people say. It took us a couple of hours to assemble it, and we had a good time working on it together. He kept saying how cool it was and was excited to show it at school. It is made well and is pretty durable. The assembly of the item is easy to follow. It includes a brochure of Rome with photographs and language translations. Overall, the item is nice for display. The pieces were clearly numbered and the diagrams in the book were very clear. The pieces were sturdy and held up excellently. Number 3. CubicFun NYC 3D Puzzle. This exciting 5-in-1 model kit lets you build iconic New York landmarks. It's perfect for kids ages 8 and up, fostering creativity and problem-solving skills. With this kit, you can construct famous New York City buildings. It's a fun and challenging project that will impress the whole family. It makes a great birthday or holiday present. This engaging puzzle helps develop concentration, creativity, and a sense of accomplishment. Building it together is a fantastic family activity. Follow the easy-to-understand instructions and enjoy quality time as a team. Once complete, it's a beautiful and durable model. It will add a unique touch to any room and spark conversation. We're committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions or concerns, our support team is always ready to help. What we like. It's a 5-in-1 model featuring iconic New York City landmarks, making it a fun and challenging project. If you are looking for a project that the whole family can enjoy together, you should consider this. It's perfect for building skills and creating a fun family experience. What people say. From the moment our 8-year-old grandson opened his gift box, his eyes, mind and hands were fully engaged. He totally loved the challenge, and worked non-stop until completion. This project proves that learning and doing can be fun. Although the age range for this puzzle model is 8 to 12 years old, it provided several hours of enjoyment to someone who is a mature Roman history enthusiast. At 131 pieces, it is challenging enough for even an adult model builder. My 6-year-old granddaughter and I spent several hours, with overnight break, constructing this fabulous skyline. It is very well designed, very good illustrated instructions. We did cheat a little bit with tape. Number 2. Ravensburger 180-piece 3D globe. Introducing the Ravensburger 3D globe puzzle. It's a fun and engaging activity for all ages. Get ready to experience superior craftsmanship and precision fit. This puzzle is made with premium materials. You'll notice the superior quality in every piece. Enjoy the satisfying click as each piece perfectly fits into place. Each piece is meticulously designed for a perfect fit. Building this puzzle is a seamless and enjoyable experience. There's no frustration, just pure fun. Hear that satisfying click? That means it's in place. The easy click technology makes assembly simple and fun for everyone. It's a great way to spend quality time together. Once completed, it transforms into a beautiful globe. It's more than just a puzzle, it's a stunning piece of 3D art for your home. It's an educational and decorative addition to any room. Ravensburger has been creating quality puzzles and toys for over 130 years. You can trust in our experience and expertise. It's a brand you can rely on for quality and fun. What we like. This puzzle features easy click technology and premium quality materials, ensuring a smooth and satisfying building experience. If you like high-quality puzzles that transform into beautiful display pieces, you should consider this. It's perfect for those who appreciate detail and craftsmanship. What people say. Fun putting the puzzle together, and now he has a globe of the world to reference places. I bought this for my 11-year-old that loves puzzles. She assembled it without issues in 2 to 3 hours. I was pleasantly surprised that the pieces were a flexible plastic, not cardboard. Also on the back are numbers and arrows to help match the pieces up. My 7-year-old ended up working on it on his own while I worked. I had him sort the pieces in groups of 31 to 30, 30 to 60, etc. And it took him about 2 hours to do this start to finish. The pieces are a hard plastic, and so far this has not fallen apart. Well made and durable. Number 1. Poraxy 5-in-1 STEM kits. It's more than just a toy, it's a journey into the world of STEM. This kit provides everything needed to build 5 unique model cars. Building these models is fun, but it also reinforces basic STEM concepts. It's a fantastic way to make learning an adventure. Watch your child's hand-eye coordination and problem-solving skills improve as they assemble each model. It's all about creativity and fun. It's a gift that keeps on giving. Kids can personalize it with paint and decorations, making it a truly unique creation. Perfect for birthdays or any special occasion. Made with high-quality, non-toxic materials, it's designed for easy assembly. The pre-cut pieces minimize frustration and maximize fun. It encourages kids to engage in creative, hands-on activities, providing a welcome break from screens. It's learning and fun combined. What we like. This kit includes 5 different model cars to build, making it a fun and educational STEM project. If you are looking for a safe and engaging STEM activity that encourages creativity and learning, you should consider this. It's perfect for kids who enjoy building and exploring their creativity. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.